Hello everyone, welcome back again. So, how you can use run command for better and quick access? Okay, so how you can do that? If you press Window R, okay, if you press Window R, or you can open the run, okay. Also, you can search the run, okay. You can search the run here, okay. So, suppose if you want to open control panel, you just have to type control here and sorry, my mistake. uh, okay, you can open the control panel if you want to, okay. Suppose that if you want to open a network adapter, okay, type here ncpa.cpl and you can open the network connections, okay. So run is very great thing, okay. So if you want to ping something, just like type here ping google.com and ping is running. This is great. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel, and thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.